Hi, welcome to this module, Object-Oriented Programming. Today's modern software systems are large and complex, and to manage this complexity, we use the principles of Object-Oriented Programming. OOP is a paradigm or way of thinking about code that revolves around the concept of objects. These objects combine both data in form of variables or attributes and behaviors in the form of functions or methods. Python supports object-oriented programming fully, and learning it will help you build better structured, more reusable and real-world inspired applications. Now let's explore the 4 pillars of OOP, object-oriented programming, that act as its foundation. Number 1, encapsulation. Think of encapsulation as putting your code into a box. It bundles data and the methods that operate on that data into a single unit, the object. This protects the data and ensures that it is used correctly. Next, abstraction. Abstraction hides the unnecessary details and shows only what's essential. For example, you drive a car using a steering wheel and pedals. You don't need to understand the complex mechanics inside the engine, isn't it? That is abstraction. Next, inheritance. This lets you create a new class from an existing one. The new class inherits methods and properties from the old class, allowing for code reuse and logical hierarchy. Next, polymorphism. This means many forms. With polymorphism, you can use the same method name across different classes, and each can have a different behavior. Together, these pillars make your code more modular, maintainable, and scalable. By the end of this module, you will be comfortable using classes, creating objects, and applying these OOP principles in real-world Python projects. See you in our next lecture where we will explore classes and objects.